Hey there, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some new and exclusive footage of the Samsung Fold, which shows and presents the Samsung Fold from all angles. Seeing the Fold in this careful and precise details simply showcases the amazing engineering that Samsung has put into these smartphones, regardless of it being a first generation product. Samsung Fold has triple cameras on the rear, a high quality build all around, and a gorgeous 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display when unfolded. It also has 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and 4,380 mAh of battery. And of course, the Samsung Galaxy Fold also has the wireless power share feature that is going to allow you to charge compatible watches, Galaxy earbuds, and other smartphones on the back of the Fold. It is also extremely easy to hold in one hand and also throw in your pocket when you please. So of course, it's a very portable product when it is folded. And of course, you do have a bunch of colors to choose from. You can get it in Astro blue, you can also get it in Martian green, and then you can also get them in Cosmos black and space silver, as you can see. On the front of the Fold, you do have a 10 megapixel selfie camera, just like on the S10. And on the rear, you have triple rear cameras that has a telephoto lens. It also has a standard wide angle lens, as you can see. And of course, then you have a super wide angle lens that allows you to take sweeping shots. You can use these cameras when the phone is folded or when it is unfolded to see larger photo previews on the larger 7.3-inch screen. Again, as you can see, that's a standard angle, and that is the telephoto lens, and you also have the super wide. All right, absolutely fantastic. Let's take a look at that super wide one more time. Gorgeous, gorgeous display. And of course, when you're doing video conferencing on the larger screen, when the phone is unfolded, you're going to be able to see larger previews of the other person, as opposed to a small preview on the top right or the top bottom that you usually get on other smartphones with smaller displays. And of course, when it comes to media consumption, such as playing movies or playing video games, or even looking at photos on your Samsung Fold while it is unfolded, it's going to be quite an amazing experience if you are looking for a larger screen in your life. And of course, one of the best things with the Samsung Fold is it also brings Samsung DeX to the table. So you can connect an HDMI monitor to the Fold to actually use Samsung DeX. So let me know what you guys think. The Fold, although quite expensive and a first generation product, is certainly the highlight of the technology world right now. It's got 6 cameras, 2 screens, one of which is a seamlessly foldable screen. Are you going to buy one for $1,980? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH for more footage.